Celine, Linigil, can you say good morning? Here, say morning.
Mommy.
Say good morning. Tingnan nyo guys, kakauwi lang ng tatay from walking. Ang dalawa, mukhang hindi nakita yung tatay nila for 10 years. Ganyan yan sila sa tatay nila guys, very close sa tatay.
It's Atis. Not Linis. Do you get Linia bracelet, Mommy?
That's Atis lang from the Philippines. You lost yours.
Carol? Oh.
It's Thursday pala guys. First day ni Daddy Mike balik sa work. So, he starts at 10:30. Tapos, today ay i-drop namin yung lola nila sa airport. Ate, are you sad Lola is going home? Ate? Ate, are you sad Lola is going home? Yeah? You can take it off. Nak, can you say good morning?
Good morning. Are you watching Ladybug?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you say good morning?
Morning.
Can't come up, honey. It's stuck. Come on. It's okay.
Celine,
Isn't it?
Linigil, can you say good morning? Here, say morning.
Mommy.
Say good morning. Saka na po ito karoon natin. Ito yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Ay. Kaat ka.
Mama.
No. No. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung ginagawa niya ngayon.
Mama.
Kaya we make sure all the time na close yung door dito sa room na to. Kasi, climber.
Is it okay at Christmas time? Lovely.
If
Happy birthday. Well, I'll give you a
There you go. Let's go.
no.
A few moments later.
Time check guys. It's not 12:10 ng tanghali. So, nag-drive-thru lang kami sa McDonald's kasi gutom si mama niyo at yung mga kids. Say hi, ate. So, we just dropped Lola Karen. Are you sad?
Yeah?
Yeah. I shed a tear or two. Umiyak rin ako guys. Ang bait-bait kaya ng biyanan ko guys. Alam niyo ba? So, medyo na ano din siya. Yan ang tawag doon. Parang naluha ba? I hugged her. Sabi ko, thank you for the 2 weeks. You right there lang? So, yeah, we'll see Lola Karen again in... When is Lola Karen coming back?
She's coming back before Christmas.
Yes, just before Christmas. Sabi niya babalik siya just before Christmas, guys. Uy. But it's good kasi yung 2 weeks, it didn't feel like it flew. You know, like, sometimes may mga ano na sobrang bilis. But the 2 weeks, parang na ano talaga namin yung time together. Okay? We spend talaga yung time together. Yes.
Hey guys, and we also went to Melbourne with Lola Karen. And then I did my hair there and had a little ice cream. And I want to see my hair.
Show them. Mami, more! So, balik na si Daddy Mike sa work niya, guys. So, ayun. Nag-work na ang ating daddy. not very nice.
Sorry, my hair.
No, you can have it. You have to ask mommy nicely, okay? Okay? Yeah. Get the water because Celine's playing with this one.
No.
Give it to mama.
Where to me, please, Celine?
Sabi niya, baka daw babalik siya dito. She won't promise, but she said maybe September, October, mga ganun pag next school holidays na Ate Paris. But sa ngayon, sabi niya, just before Christmas daw. Yeah? You love Lola Karen?
Yeah, Mama. So, Celine's so funny.
Okay. Celine, share it to Ate Paris, please.
Please have it? No.
Hi! Celine, stop being naughty and share it to Ate Paris. See, Ate Paris is being nice. She's asking nicely. Kaya yung manghod, uy. Hey, look! Bangs! She bangs.
My alpha is killer boy.
I know.
Yeah.
Lane, come on, share Ate Paris.
It's right here.
We're home now, guys. It's now 2:10 ng hapon. Yeah, kaka-message lang nilang mama ni Daddy Mike, guys. Boarded now, flight delayed, hugs and kisses. Yeah. Delayed ang kanyang flight. Bakit kaya? Siguro sa weather. Maganda kanina umaga. Ngayon, medyo madilim-dilim na naman. Buang. So, pumunta kami kanina na Coles. Nag-grocery kami after naming mag-McDonald's. So, ito yung napamili ko. So, actually, ang ating baby Celine ang nakatulog na. So, pagka-uwi namin, diniretso ko siya sa bed. Pinadedi, nag-nap na kasi it was very late. It's way past her nap time. Kaya yung payak-iyak na yan siya. Tulog na. So, ayan, makakapag-haul tayo kung anong binili natin from the grocery. Binili ko is yung lulutuin ko tonight. So, tonight, I'm going to cook beef curry. Ayan. So, yung binili ko na meat ay yung tad-tad na para mahirapan. Have some milk. What else have we got here? Hindi marami yung binili ko, guys. Yung mga gagamitin ko lang tonight. Ayan. Carrots. May feeling chef tayo today. Capsicum. So, yung pinili ko na atsal talaga, ay green para makulay-kulay ang ating curry mamaya. I bought some Oreos. Naka-sale to siya, guys. Kaya dalawa yung binili ko. I bought this one. Para siyang note cards. Tignan nyo. Kaya, kasi pag may nabenta ako online, may personal note na thank you for your purchase, ganyan. So, yun yung ginagamit. Personalize. Yung mga kids nagpabili ng stickers. I've got some, yeah. I went to Baker's Delight. Yan. Custard scroll. Favorite. So, kasi hindi ko pinlano kanina na pumunta ng grocery store. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng plastic bag. Kailangan namin bumili ng paper bag. They already stopped using plastic bag ngayon sa shop. So, mga ganito ng paper bags na. Hey, madam. Matindi para sa nagkain sa bag ko na. Tingin-tingin sa kanyang hindi. Kindergarten. Oh, we actually need more water. Got some candies for Paris.
Sprouts gonna grab the Oreo.
Look.
And that's what I wanted. Mine, that's what I wanted. Oreo.
Bumili na rin ako nito guys para mag-unli labada tayo today. Kasi dami nating labahin. Ayan, sa fabric conditioner, detergent powder, some tissue, and for my cooking tonight. Ayan, kailangan natin ng diced tomatoes. Tomato. Thursday na naman ngayon. Bukas, Friday. Dari may po-work sa office. Tapos, Saturday or tomorrow night, we can do our like grocery shopping. Like more. So, yeah. Tingnan nyo ang ating shulongpoy.
Yeah, exactly right. So, other than that,
guys, I'm just making some beautiful crystals.
Yes, you were saying as well. What's the deal with that audit stuff? You're not keen anymore?
Very noisy, huh? That's the very noisy person. And like a video call.
And this is all of them. Oops.
Pinamili, oh. Mga stickers. Asan kay Baby Celine lang? Where's the other ones?
Oh, she's using them over there.
Okay. Kakatapos lang namin mag-sampay ng mga damit, guys. Pero, before kami papasok, ay mag-concert muna sa Ate Paris. Okay. Masim? Kaya kami sa ano tawag ito, guys? Corridor? Okay, yung voice ay echo. Sige na. Move here. Move here. Again, do it properly. Come on, yeah. Okay.
Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wonderful free, wish I could be part of that world. What can I give if I can leave out of this water? What will I pay to spend the day from on the sun?
They understand.
No, that's all I can sing.
Huh?
That's all I can sing.
Okay.
I'm
But they don't reprimand the daughter. Come on, let's go. Bright young women, sick of swimming, pray. Uy! What?
Oh, shit.
Saan lakad mo nang? Manang? Where are you going, Manang? Ano naka-shoulder bag man si Manianay? Nini! Anong oras na ba, guys? It's now 4:30. Kita pa? Hindi na kami lumabas kasi tingnan niyo sa labas, guys. Oh, super madilim na siya kahit 4:30 pa. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon ay magre-ready na lang ako ng lulutuin ko. Ay, may pizza pa pala dito from last night. Oh, sa dinner ko na last night. Tingnan niyo. Oh, ko nakalimutan yung tawag dito. Prosciutto. Oh, heat it up. Tapos, magre-ready na tayo ng lulutuin ng this. Oh, actually, merong pupunta dito shortly, mag-pick up ng blazer. Dito ko sa inyo. Ayan. Benta ni mami nyo, guys. Binenta ko na. This is super cute. Super nice.
No, I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'll definitely have a
Mag-bye-bye na ako nito.
yeah, obviously not.
Sarap na pizza na bahaw. Before ako magluluto, guys. Ay! Magkakape muna ako. Ako na dyan ang mga pizza hapon. Hello, Inday!
I do want to make
Mama.
Water. What's all your bag lang?
He was much
Tubig naman na.
cards space.
Tubig.
Yeah, no.
Ay,
He definitely come into cards. He'd probably stay for.
Bigyan na si Lini natin, guys. O, ha? Dito.
Does that make sense?
Mama's cooking dinner.
Mama.
Mama?
Look at his
Magkakape. No, it's not apple. It's capsicum.
So, come from KYC.
Sinisay.
He's got a-
Capsicum.
He's got a bachelor's in physics.
Oh, this one? Carrots.
So,
Can you say carrots?
I don't know, because I just got a feeling that he would come in short term.
Kakapihin ko to. Alam niyo ba? Iniwan talaga ako ng isa. Ng naman ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya, this is nice. You try it. So, yun. Ito yung inumin ko ngayon. Lax, ba mo na dyan ang mga pizza hapon ako? This is latte.
He's more data driven
Latte.
and traditional analyst. Yeah.
Dumating na siguro yung mama niya.
4:44.
4:44. Delay yung flight niya.
Unless they're into leadership roles, they're probably
Siguro kakarating lang yun. She'll be back in Melbourne. At alam niyo ba, guys, kasi yung mama niya nakatira sa 2 hours away from the city. So, mas maginaw doon. So, when she gets there, it's maximum 9 degrees. That's sabi niya. It's so depressing. She was not very excited to go back to the weather.
Yeah.
Kasi alam niyo naman dito, guys, warm, maaraw, tapos pagdating doon, maulan. Kasi winter, at alam niyo ba, start of the winter pa lang. Wala pang, hindi pa yan yung bonggang-bonggang winter talaga. Tingnan natin ang pinagmamalaki ng kanyang mama. Ito yung iniinom ng mama niya everyday. Sa umaga. Totoo na very, mabula-bula. Sugar. Ted, do you want to help mama cook lang? Nah. Do you want to peel the carrots for mama? Do you want to peel the carrots for mama? Come. Well, taste it. Very mabula-bula eh.
Well, then, you know, where's the right? Like, I know she's obviously now she's fallen sick. No surprise because she doesn't sleep or anything.
Oh, Mr.
I
Rap.
don't know much like you last. We sort of.
Mr. Rap kaya.
Whatever.
Meron din pala akong isang... Ilan ba ito naman? Tignan natin na expiry date at 12. 31st August 2023. Yeko pa siya.
Yep.
So, ito ang ating mga sangkap. So, ito yung ginagamit kong curry powder, guys. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko kapag nagluluto ko ng curry.
I'm going through secondhand.
Flag of India, yung kanyang brand. Tapos, yan, yung magic sarap, hindi mawawala. And I've got diced tomatoes. Kahit anong brand. Okay sa akin. Yan yung nakuha ko kanina sa Gora Bells. And then, meron tayong
she was looking at that.
100% natural coconut milk. Premium coconut milk. Ayan. Ready natin lahat. At nag-message na si Madam. Baka nandito na. Yeah. Hi there. I have arrived.
Isn't it looking kind of good?
Alright guys. Dalhin ko muna sa baba yung ating blazer.
I can make an air horn. It's an acorn.
Lily, go. Hey. Lily, dali sa butong lang. I'm wondering how did Daddy use this last time.
Mommy, can I play as a dog?
Alam, klaro lagi kayo ang signal. Klaro kayo kagwapo dong.
What's the time?
Ayaw tandong ba? Nak.
Antayin naman.
Nag-video call kami na family ko guys. Say hi. Sino ka dyan? Cyril? Bakit nandyan ka, Cyril? Do. Tulog mata.
Can I have one? Wine? Can I have
Tulog?
one?
Siya buyag naman ang baby. Ay.
Can I have one?
Yeah. Look. Natapos natin pagutad-gutad. Ayan. It looks so nice.
Yeah.
Mag-start na tayong What is it? Paris?
Oreo.
Oh yeah. You promise you're gonna eat?
Yeah?
Promise me you're gonna eat?
Yeah.
Okay, see? Tita and Tito are the witnesses. You said you're gonna eat dinner, okay?
Yeah?
Okay. So, malayo pa naman ang dinner time. It's okay, you can have
How
some.
much am I gonna eat?
Hmm?
How many carrots am I gonna
Just
eat?
enough.
What?
Just enough.
Just one?
Lini! What's this, Lini? Tingnan yung mukha. Tingnan yung nag-clap-clap. Yay! Happy baby.
Mama?
Yes, princess. Hi, tita sa off. Tita.
Mommy?
Hi sa tita.
Nom.
Nom. Say hi sa tita mo. Wow! Ay! Show tita.
Ma, give me one too. Yeah. I want two. No, Mommy!
Wait a minute. You two, wait a minute. Ayan, giabusaran na kung kaayo ha.
Is it nighttime?
It's afternoon. It's gonna be night time soon. Okay, go.
Let's go.
Na.
So,
Luto muna tayo ng kanin. Isa ka baso.
Jasmine na natin.
Ambot, imong kuya man ay nagpalit, pero arang-arang na siya kasarad tong ako nagpalit mak nga. Diyos ko Lord, mura gito siya. Guy, ginoo ko. Di ko ka. Mura mag-plastic. Murag bato-bato, basta. Makuan, buntagan.
No, pero hindi. Malaktik na. Ilan.
Pero ay kani murag jasmine na siya mak, pero ko singa brand ba. Dili ka tong mahalon na. Kay Farful. Farful siya mak. Farful.
Farful, not farful.
Hindi siya feng. Ready to know what the people know. Yo mo? May mukha guys, yeah. Do you want more Oreo?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Can you say yes, please, Mama?
Mom.
Say yes, please, Mama. Yes, please, Mama. Enough na, enough na. Ingredients are all ready. Gisahin muna natin yung meat. Tapos, yun na yun. I'm super excited. Alam niyo ba guys, kapag ito yung niluluto ko, madali ba? Curry, beef curry, sobrang maraming rice yung nadadamage guys. Masarapan talaga ako. Ako na talagang madaling magluto ng beef curry. Gusto ko to kasi mabilis lang ba? Hindi mahirap yung recipe na to. Sayang, ay po kung nagluto. Wala yung mama niya na. Most of the time kasi. Na-vlog kay ka dong. Oh, cholong. Kuy, tingnan nyo ang aking
Yung mata.
pamangkin guys.
Vlog man ang hayag man kay na yung mata oh.
Dodong! Welcome back to my channel! Blurred lang guys yan. Signal ba? Dong! Grabe ka blurred. We'll set this aside na guys. Ayan na. Tapos nagamit tayo na. Ito lang kasi yung medyo may, ano ba, malalim na pan namin guys. Yan na lang yung gagamitin ko. Kasi malalagyan niya siya mamaya ng sabaw kasi may coconut milk. Bakit bang dalim? Oy, bakit mamadalim? Oh, maybe it's better like that. Ipaghiwa na rin ako ng sibuyas. Okay. Oil lang nakatapat nito. Woohoo! Tingnan nyo ang coconut milk ko guys. Dahil sa ginaw. See? Ang tagal naman mag-expire. 2025 pa. Alam niyo ba yung tatay niya nandun sa kusina? Pinilit niya talaga. Sabi niya, come! Ayan, para umupo kasama manood daw sa kanya.
Why, oh my God.
Oh my God! Ito, ang hirap pakainin. Oh my God! Ayan na, oh.
And the bike was coming down and it,
Oh my goodness!
and it ran over him.
The car.
Oopsie Daisy!
Ah!
What happened, Nini? Come na, eat this one na. Come on.
Put it on for her now. Okay. I'm gonna put it on because I said if you eat, we get to watch Waka Waka, and then you did do what I said, so I'm gonna put it on for you, okay?
That's down there, Daddy. Next to Katy Perry. Come on. Up.
There you go, Baba. Because you're a good girl.
Samina, minasang kalewa.